In this tutorial, we'll learn how to export a dataset in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Sometimes I need to share data with team members that are non-FDI users to collaborate on projects. To start, I'll navigate to my list of datasets and subject areas that I have access to. I have a products dataset that I want to share with colleagues so we can analyze which products are most profitable for our business. This dataset was created from an external connection. When I select the Actions menu, I do not see a Download File option for this dataset. This is different than the datasets that are held in dataset storage, like uploaded files. I can, however, create a downloadable copy of this dataset using a data flow. In this case, I have already created a data flow, which, when it runs, saves the data from my connection as a CSV file in the dataset storage. Since this is a single table dataset, I can now click on this dataset's Actions menu and I'm able to download the data file. I'll open the downloaded file and now I can distribute this file to my team for collaboration. Find additional videos and more information on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.